Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today it's time to do some more swaps. So what I plan to do is use my scraps to make some embellishments to participate in a swap. The theme is Birdcage. So I have a stamp set and a die set and my 2 big bags of pattern paper of scraps and cardboard scraps. Now what I plan to do, I don't know if it's going to work, you're going to watch me while I do it, but I will fast forward it. Now I need to make 4 swaps and I plan on doing them, well, all the same, but the paper I use may be different depending on what I can find in my scraps. So I have a branch die, and what I'm going to do is cut it out, I think, with the brown cardstock, then find some green patterned paper, cut it out again, and then cut the leaves out to paste onto, or to glue, not paste, where'd that come from? I think a Perkins paste growing up primary school. Anyway, glue on the leaves and then stamp the bird cage on some white scrap, cardstock scrap, cut it out, and then this little birdie here, cut him out of some colourful paper and then glue him onto the bird cage, whether I put him there or something. So that is the plan, and we'll see what happens. All right, so let's get into it. Well, there we have our birdcage embellishment made from scraps. So you'll notice if I left it in, I cut 5 of everything because I wanted to keep one for me. So I thought, well, why not make myself one by going to all this effort? I'll keep one for myself. So I had stamped them on the white cardstock first, and then I thought, oh, they're going to look really stark when everything else is like coloured. I thought the birdcage will look really stark. So I went back to my scraps and found some blue paper, but I only had enough for 4. So I found another piece, this will be my one, and because it's the first test as well, so I can iron out any issues. So the thing I'm going to do differently for the other 4 is trim down the birdcage a little bit more so that I don't have to trim around the outside of the patterned paper, because you can see some of the white underneath. So, but I'm not wasting these. So because the patterned paper is quite flimsy, well, not as strong as cardstock, I thought that it'd be easily bent or out of shape or crumpled. So I wanted then to use these as a backing for the patterned paper birdcage, so it gives them a bit more strength. And yeah, I think it worked really well. I'm really happy with it. So sorry if I sound a bit out of breath. Well, I know when I first came on I was, because this idea came to me during dinner. So I rushed in straight after dinner to get started to see if the idea worked, and before it leaked out my ears, and I forgot it. So there we go. That is our scraps to embellishments birdcage theme. I really like it. So I'll make the other 4 now, and then these will be winging their way, get it? Winging their way to my swap captain. Thanks so much for watching. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell when you subscribe so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.